Hey everybody, Greg with Drifter Journey here with the start of a 3-part series. We're going to do some sound equipment in our 2019 Promaster. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave comments, let us know if you have any questions or what else you'd like to see. But part 1 of this, we are going to be installing 6.5-inch round Polk Audio DB652s in the doors, the front doors that is. We're ready for those, and then later on we'll be adding the DB692 6x9s into the rear doors. And after that, once we're pretty much done with the van, we're going to go ahead and add this 8-inch JL Audio ACP 108 powered subwoofer. We have the older version of these Polks in our current van. We also have this exact subwoofer that we added recently into the 2017. It sounds amazing, so we're going to do that again. We're going to go ahead and link product below for you, so if you need to see where these are, how much they cost, or buy them to add into yours, go ahead and click the links below. And yeah, I think we're going to get this thing started. We're going to start out by doing a little sound deadening in the front door and then splice some wires in. So the first step, we're going to go ahead and just peel off the speaker grill cover on here. And then I'm going to pull the speaker out and see if I can cheat and get enough sound deadening into the door. We don't have any on our current build in the front doors. It sounds fine. Just thought if I added some on this one, we'd get rid of a little more road noise. So I'm going to start with this. Then I'm going to see how ambitious I'm feeling. I might pull the whole thing off and add some in it. But yeah, if you get yourself a little kit for the auto pry tools, got it at Harbor Freight for like $8. Last time we didn't have these, a lot harder. These things have been great, and all you do, get down in this one, and it just pops out. So that's super easy. I can already tell you that I'm not going to be able to get much sound deadening in here, so I may end up peeling the whole thing off, but we'll have to disconnect the speaker to be able to do that anyway. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew this and get it out of here. Next step here is going to be to remove the clip that is connecting the speaker. So you're gonna push that in or out. I'm gonna figure that out here in a second, and then get this guy to come out, which they're not always easy. We're gonna use 2 people, so hang tight. Just got 3 Phillips head screws here. And that'll release that guy. Okay. So, try to get the clip loose here. Looks like if we push in down here, maybe. Try to get it to release. Pushed in the tab here, and then put a flathead under here, and you just pop it out. So then that releases the speaker.
What you doing?
Put a little sound deadening in behind where the speakers are gonna go.
Yep.
So the new speakers, we got plenty of depth here. There's 2 options. They say you're gonna need to re-drill, so we could just drill new holes right here and do a direct mount, which isn't a bad idea, but I'd rather not. So we're gonna try and use these plate adapters that they came with, even though it might even take longer. But if we take these, in theory, we'll have some holes lined up somewhere. Maybe. These are different than the last set that we had. So we'll start trimming pieces until we see if we find the right spot. We're going to put our 3 screws back in. Make sure that you route the wire behind this unit. And don't strip out your screws. Then we'll be putting the speaker on. Just a little bit beefier than the original. And you can see the surrounds are not styrofoam anymore. And you get another tweeter. Much nicer. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it. I cheated and I have the easy clips. So I'm gonna just stick these bad boys on here. And I don't have to think about what's what now. You know. So I don't think I have to worry about it coming off. That's a snug fit.
That's good.
That is good. That. Okay, we'll just clip that guy in. And make sure that it's connected, which it seems to be. Can you give it a pull? The other hand, just make sure it doesn't come out. Pull on the plastic, not the wires. It's good?
Yep.
Okay. That's in there. We're gonna put it in and we'll give it a test. So the universal bracket puts it on a slight angle for us, not a huge deal for me. If I really cared enough, we would have drilled it through. That looked like it was gonna be a pain. You just want to take care and screwing these in to make sure that you don't stab the speaker itself. And then it's mounted up, and then give it a test to make sure it works, which we already did. And then move on to the other one. And that's that. And I guess we gotta make sure that this covers it back up without hitting it.
Yeah.
But we should be good.
What you doing?
Putting little stupid stickers on that might not stay. Oh.
Those definitely aren't staying.
Alright, so we're not using those unless I'm supposed to peel this first. Oh yeah. Polk baby. See how long those stay. Might be BHB, it might stay. Thanks for watching part 1 of our audio install for the ProMaster game. We put in some Polk 6.5-inch rounds. Part 2 we're going to go for the 6x9s. Part 3 the subwoofer. Hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you soon.